today I'm sharing something I have shared before but with a slight variation. It is Kabalagala, or what we call Ugandan pancakes, and yes, they are different from the Western kind, which consists of flour, milk and eggs. Kabalagala, for those who don't know, is made specifically from ripe bananas and cassava flour, which are made into a flat cake and fried. One of the earliest videos I shared on this channel was a Kabalagala video which got a lot of positive feedback, and I remember being asked if a person can still make this treasured snack and sweet if they don't have ndizi, which are also known as yellow sweet apple bananas. And so I got to work, and this video you are seeing right now is the result of using regular bananas such as Bogoya. This will be especially helpful to you if you don't have access to these small sweet bananas but you still want to enjoy Kabalagala. The detailed recipe of this Kabalagala is in the link in the description box below. This is also the video I presented for the CIA Worlds of Flavor conference last year, and while preparing for this presentation, I wondered whether we as Ugandans have a robust collection of desserts or sweets, aside from, of course, Kabalagala and our famously amazing fruits. So let me know in the comments below what Ugandan sweets or snacks or desserts you think we should all know about. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.